top stories. Drug peddler succumbs after being beaten up allegedly by anti-drug volunteers in Imphal East. KSO Band hits normal life. Government given 24 hours to release organization leaders. And first World Food Safety Day held, presence of monosodium glutamate in popular snack Mimi Caution. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A drug abuser who also indulged in drug peddling succumbed after being severely beaten up allegedly by volunteers of a local anti-drug joint committee at Komidog in Imphal East today. 7 persons allegedly involved in the incident have been arrested by Imphal East police. Sources said that furious over the brutality of the committee, a large number of locals attacked and damaged 4 houses belonging to the volunteers of the anti-drug joint committee. They also confronted police who were trying to bring the situation under control. Police sources informed that the incident occurred last midnight. The deceased has been identified as Muhammad Halim, age 62 years, from Komidog, Mamang. Earlier, he was caught red-handed along some drug by the volunteers of Anti-Drug Joint Committee last evening at Kairang Paya ground. There, he was reportedly reprimanded by the volunteers. Later, he was rushed to Hangang PHC for medical treatment but succumbed on the way. Soon after learning of his death, a large number of locals stormed the houses of Muhammad Magoon, Muhammad Banda, Muhammad Ibohol and Muhammad Ibosana, all volunteers of the Anti-Drug Joint Committee, which were attacked and damaged.
Pangangang pada itu wala uraga itu agi thabu agi mung mung semua itu thugai bidang khai ba itu sana lupa khangda alai khangda moi pesalang sa su lai ba yawi agi mung sida noin tak tan moi pu khibani sana su agi mohra hum mari thamjabani lupa su lagani gumba hum gumbai thamjabani isa singsi ai thabu ki tolop ki lakpa haina agi hingol yon ki law yon ki ari pesa khal lian ba thambani ari pesa de semua pu sat khre sa.
Police resorted to tear gas firing to disperse the angry crowd, resulting in a confrontation. No one was injured. A strong team of Imphal West Police Commando was being deployed at sensitive spots to bring normalcy in the area. Meanwhile, the 7 accused in the killing of Muhammad Halim were produced before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East, Lamfelfad, which remanded them to police custody for 7 days. The Manipur-wide Band call given by Cookie Students Organization KSO from last midnight evoked near total response in Sugnu and most parts of hill districts, affecting normal life today. The strike has been called to demand immediate release of KSO Gunbi block leaders who were arrested by police in connection with burning down of St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, Sugnu. KSO has denied involvement of its members in the arson attack. The Band ends this midnight. Both the 2 national highways, Imphal-Dimapur Road and Imphal-Jiribam Road, wore a deserted look with passengers and goods-laden vehicles being stranded. Normal life was paralyzed in most of the hill districts, but the strike evoked mixed response in most parts of the valley. The government should take action to release all 10 KSO members within 24 hours, or else the sustained agitation will continue. Organization President Thangmilin Kipgen told newsmen at Tafho village near Senapati Bazaar, the government should not remain tight-lipped over the matter, he said.
Close down the highway so that the government listens to us and immediately and unconditionally they release our members of KSO Gunpi block who have been detained beyond what is necessary, and if they are not released unconditionally, this sort of sustained agitation will continue until our demands are met.
Passengers who were stuck on Imphal-Dimapur road expressed displeasure over the inconveniences they faced on the way.
Sanapati Bawa, a Yore, Sanapati the Gia, one going to call them a thing. Police Nagari Kame, Talandre, the Gia Coin, the Gia Coin, them, Mating there, Higalaxy and Higalax. Pung Baro Banya Hiberia, the Gia Kong, like the Jatam Naganagumana, Yauri, and Aguma Tab, the Sakata, Yauri, the Kona, Mating the Kara Higalaxy and a Higalax.
KSO More block also enforced the ban in More town, where marketplaces, shops, hotels and government were shut. The ban supporters also blocked Imphal-More National Highway. However, Namfalong market in Myanmar was not affected by the general strike, as people came to buy commodities in the market like any other day. According to sources, a minor altercation occurred in the town bordering Myanmar when the ban supporters tried to stop the vehicles of security personnel. No untoward incidents were reported. In Churachandpur district, ban supporters vandalized several vehicles of defying the ban around 4 a.m. according to a report. Designated Officer of Food Safety, Imphal East T. Brojendro Khabamete has expressed apprehension that no one cares about the presence of monosodium glutamate in popular snack Mimi, which is labeled that it should not be consumed by children below 12 months. He was speaking at the observance of First World Food Safety Day held at Board Hall of Medical Directorate, Lamphel. The function was organized by State Food Safety Authority, Director of Health Services Dr. K. Rajo and Additional Director Dr. Sashi Kumar Mangang, among others, attended the event. The Brojendro Khabamete also maintained that no one knows what is contained in food people have every day. It is now time for all to know which harmful chemicals are mixed in food. He said strict measures have been taken up to check food adulteration since Food Safety Act was enacted.
Normal atmospheric temperature data. Seeing the boras data, urea se kara haptil laga mixed over Tangiba Matam data. Seeing the Saruche, Matam Karimatu, the Doctor A, Police to A, Doctor A, urea haptenba, magnesium silicate haptenba, China could the Karimani, Hassan the Karitoni, Chini Wapamsi.
Director of Health Services Dr. K. Rajo stated that the observance was being held as per the declaration by World Health Organization to observe World Food Safety Day on June 7. He added that one must take utmost care as it is not understood which chemicals or other harmful substances are present in food we have daily. Dr. Rajo advised not to have oily, sweet and salty snacks much.
Expiry date Wherever manufactured Desikam Khan the Sagibano, Matagi, Masikam Khan the Logadam, Masi Apopola Pota Pola Hibisi, Equia Muna Yanga, Equisabata Dakar Oi, Maramaduna, Equi Praza, Kudimanga Hill Consciousness Lejna, Quisabatapas data, Equi Yam Yang Yam Jackson Sabatapotoxi Hibisi, Simpton in Tamzani, Masiargai Praza Sinda. Awareness as people learn na Pitribi the Ladyba, Manipur the Ladyba, Praja Kudimakse, Koisaba Taposi, the section na Yakogi Yangaga, Sasi, Kogi, Kudamun Harbada, Tumyam Nasadaba, Sugariam Sadaba, Tauyam Nasadaba, Masina, Koi Haksang, Panavi Masamsu.
Lining Thau Sanamahi Kiong constructed at Siloy Langmai Ching in Imphal East District, which will serve as the center of Sanamahi religion and culture, is all set to consecrate tomorrow. Tom TV brings you an exclusive report.
Adoption of majoritarian religion and culture has undermined the traditional ethnic religion and culture of Sanamahi. Many scholars and experts opined that unless Sanamahi religion and culture is revived, Manipur will never progress. With an aim to protect, preserve and propagate Sanamahi religion and culture and thus give a momentum to the revival movement, Lining Thau Sanamahi Thaugal Kanglup started the construction of Lining Thau Sanamahi Kiong, a sacred shrine of Sanamahism. The construction of Lining Thau Sanamahi Kiong, located at Selong Langmai Ching at Nongpok Sanjanbam in Imphal East District of Manipur, began on April 4, 2006 on 2 acres of land on the hill. The height of the temple is 77 feet. The length and the breadth is 80 by 80 feet. The temple is built with the donations given by generous individuals and groups. So far, around rupees 4 crores have been spent in the construction. Some like-minded people who love the traditional ethnic religion formed Lining Thau Sanamahi Thaugal Kanglup in 1973. After much strife, the organization gives shape to the construction of the present temple at Seloi Langmai Ching as an initial step of a larger objective to set up a University of Sanamahi culture at the same place. A trust by the name Foundation for University of Sanamahi Culture was registered in 2003 for the purpose. Traditional form of dance, music, martial art and polo will be taught at the university. The statue of Lining Thau Sanamahi will be placed at the inner sanctum of the temple, below which the original form of the Selvan deity will be kept. It has so far taken 13 years, 2 months and 2 days to complete the construction of the temple. The temple will be consecrated tomorrow, June 8, and dedicated to the people. Irrespective of which religion one may follow, everyone will be allowed to come and worship at the temple so as to bring mutual trust and love among different religious cults of the world.
Sanamahi Kiong is not just the center for Sanamahi culture or Sanamahi religion, but this Kiong, which will be consecrated tomorrow, will become one of the largest, one of the biggest landmarks of Manipur. With camera person Ojit Mangsa Tabam, this is Kishore Chandra Wangkimcha, Tom TV News, Seloi Langmai Ching.
A 2-day-long celebration of Simai Pausete 2019 was jointly organized by Saranamai Union and Pausete Committee from June 5th to 6th at the local ground of Saranamai Kaikho Village Mau. The event marks the first day of paddy cultivation for the season. Attending the event as the Chief Guest Advisor of Rural Development, Government of Nagaland, Dr. Neki Sali, in his inaugural speech said it is glad that all traditions and culture are still preserved and practiced till death. He also stressed on the need to organize such events in bigger way in days to come.
We must not forget, like I said, our tradition, and we must not forget, see, especially today, like I said, in Kohima we had a program. God was so good to us. He has given us a beautiful weather today. Don't pray asking God to let your team win. That is selfishness. Ask God to help both the teams to play and display a beautiful game so that people will enjoy, and may the better team win. I think that is what our prayer should be.
Addressing the function, Secretary of Saranamai Kaikho village, Wilson Vimai, said that this event of growing paddy by villagers will help in producing high-yielding crops. He also mentioned about the other aspects of the festival, like bringing unity and brotherhood between the people of Manipur and Nagaland.
I've been celebrating this festival from long decades ago. So many people comes together and enjoy the festivals. We know each other due to this very festival, and like because of this festival we popularize. And then there is a big festival called wrestling, and in this very wrestling many of our relatives, like neighborhood villagers, some from Nagaland, they used to come and celebrate with the events.
Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Minister Karam Syam has extended financial support of Rs 50,000 to cyclist Philem Rohan, who will embark on a 4,500 km long cycle rally from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. The amount was handed over to Philem Rohan at the official quarter of the minister, located at Sanjanthong, Imphal. Minister wished Rohan for a successful journey. Karam Syam stated that Rohan, who will spread a message on safe drinking water, is indeed a pride for the state. However, it is very unfortunate that some people make fun of Rohan's effort on social media and appeal to all concerned not to demean anyone on social media.
Demotivating culture se to even akhoi lam ge to pamising na di ronang to siam phaina suyam kana India pummana handak acclaim to bi dana ai Pulwama attack ta yam achauba keno phangdana observance phangdana tawrakan jida akhoi masem gi oiba imam jina smain sum asoiba thinaraga tobagi culture je tang to anninge
magi performance mana tawrupa activities sida as a minister consumer affairs ai ngak pati yawa minister moina the Abhaba Matona Labor, Tabak Singsi, Manipur Zatigi, Kunai Chigi Wina. Hiram Kuding Mata, Punin Togat Pasi, Agi man objective ni. Ado Yam Labak Tiba Hibatai, Akoi Manipur in Haror Sing, social media, the Kai the Ubakanda, Tauri Batabak to encourage Tau the Manba. Yamna Labang Masata, the Waka, a hide in a collector, Tagat Pa Ubakanda. Manipur ki hauriba tungi na harul singna kunai si karumda lahan gadori bino moi gi wakalon si khangba kanda yamna sentimental oiba nungai ta ba phawba adi furit machama yolaga ma gi expenditure tauna na bo hona ba da paisa tan boina uhanba kilometer lising mari sangwa tha hum sangna cycle thawba gi ma gi spirit thauna do di ubida ba summa singchi tawbiganu Lebak Kanaumba, Isai Nausina. Aku encourage Sausi, Puning Togat Pigi Hainable Laichi, Aku mindset change Sausi.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
India ki top university Singi Marakta Ama Oiriba, Assam Downtown University, Guwahati the Engineering, Management, Nursing, Pharmacy, Hotel Management, Paramedical the Ming Chanbining Basingna, Sitful Oidringaida Nasimak Lakpiduna Ming Chanbiyu. Admission Office, Assam Downtown University, Babupara, Bosemlerek Imphal.
Admission open. Admission open.
Lagiba session 2019-20 ki class 11 science the Ming Chanabagi Damak International Modernized Academy Ima Nomaibung Purana Rajbari the admission form Azari.
Mamang the subject toppers in Putopung Kraba, Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur the affiliate Tauba School ni.
Direct admission ki Kudong Chaba Pijari.
Karason Mahiro Sing Power School si the Sanglat Padagi. Awang but Hak the past the Mangam Liba School ni.
International Modernized Academy Ima Co-Educational Higher Secondary School Asina Ahan Bala for the Kudong Chaba Pijari. Akag number 6 Karakaktani.
Hen ako pamarol kita magtanabiyo.
7005-924-656.
Bob Century ba?
Managing Director, International Modernized Academy, IMA, Nomaibung Purana Rajbari, near Kushum Oil Pump.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyang ki seba da lejari apamba service khanbiyo economic rate rupees 15 per kilometer standard rate rupees 25 per kilometer luxury rate rupees 55 per kilometer with base fare of rupees 40 Manipur ki district singi maruoina Senapati Ukhrul Churchanpur Kakching More Chandela chingba sing Chatanabagisu ataba mamalda book to Vibayaragani. Manipur gi Mapan gi Lamsing, Haibadi, Guwahati, Shillong, Dimapur, Silchar na chingba sing Chatanabagisu book to Viyu, Loina na Luhongba, Amadi Atopa Tabak Thorum ki Damaktasu, Akanaba discount Pizari. Hena Kupamaro ki Damak contact to Viyu, Aikogi contact number 180010279559. Natraga 8794613154. Aikogi website www.lamjingbacaf.com.
Mahai Manipur da ahan moina UPSC MPSC na loba IAS IPS amadi MCS na chingba exam singi preparation khakta da yumpham oiba amadi hiram asida khang heiraba oza sing khakta na lamjing laptakpa institute ni Mahai gi faculty sing asi UPSC exam gi experience leiraba masa masa gi subject ta mapung phana qualified oiraba oza sing ni Manipur dagi IAS IPS amadi MCS na singba services ta mai pakpa candidate sing puthokpa haibasina mahai gi pandam ni mahai na exam asiga mari leina ba course khuding ma quality leina affordable oiba fees ta fangali hotna janing ba thawai yaujaba mahiroi sing gi damak makhal kaya gi scholarship ki tengmang su piri lengsin biraksi mahai Civil Services Institute Kwakatel Bazaar
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja listing ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lereklaba Nauka gi Infal Center ma hangjare TV amadi phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da bi awaba mayok na dibna al koding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi maklengsin directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana badom gi khangna chana ba single power se tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangam Lekai near Community Hall mobile number na 6009545159.
Welcome back after the break. Imphal West Commando continued hotel to hotel search at Pauna Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar today. Hotel Avenue, Hotel Polo, Niran Lodge, Hotel Siroy, Hotel GM, Hotel Embassy and Prince Lodge were searched from 4:15 am to 5:10 am under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Imphal West AG Sharma. One individual was picked up. Kuki Inpi Tamenglong and Jiribam Zone has called on the Manipur government to extend support to the family whose 3 members drowned in Barak River at Kaimai village under Tausem subdivision of Tamenglong district on May 27th last. Information and Publicity Secretary of Kuki Inpi Tamenglong and Jiribam Zone, Len Khaulun Haukep, told media persons that the government should help the family. He recalled that Malengo Singson, along with his wife Lai Kholhing Singson and their eldest daughter Themngail Hing Singson drowned in Barak River, leaving behind their 6 children. He also informed that later one of the daughters, Vasi Singson, met with an accident and is currently undergoing medical treatment at Valley Hospital in Silchar, Kasar. Len Khaulun Haukib also mentioned about the help extended by Kuki Inpi, Kuki Students Organization KSO and Kuki Laumpi to the helpless children.
Thibadagi moy ahum loina lukhraga sire doga lemhoriba moy angang mi taru amuk thaname mado ke esogana sumating pange ke kelna sumating pange duga kukin pimen sumating pange adugo mathakta ekoina mating pawang mathakta jaba jaragadi ekoi kuki impi tarap tagi aina haining basi central government natraga state government su amatang mating pangbirati masi ekoi damata jam ngai gani haibase aina phungdo ninge.
Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Institute of Agricultural Science, Utlaw, under the aegis of National Fisheries Development Board, Hyderabad, is successfully producing two types of fish foods, floating fish feed and sinking fish feed, by using indigenous ingredients available in the state. Chairman of the institute and former Union Minister T.H. Chauba said students who completed graduation in the field of agriculture and allied subjects can also pursue postgraduate and PhD level. He further said the economy of the state can improve by giving emphasis in agriculture in valley and horticulture in the hills. He said this during a press meet held at Utlaw, Bisnupur district today.
Agriculture and allied shira Karahena Pung Changchamba say, Linguibu Singna, Bepargi Tonga, electronic media Gitonga, Hibi Bamasangi, Akoigidi, Tampakshina, agriculture, Chingdana, horticulture, Aniasi Amna Sidana Ko economy, Pangadabanina, Masiki Massacre, Lankapara, Kardang, Wegadra, Haidana, Akoi, Hodoksavania.
Despite the state government's mission, School Phagarhansi and Go to Hills mission, many government schools and government-aided schools in the hill districts have remained neglected. During a survey conducted by a social worker and chairman of Khongsang Village Authority along with a team of media yesterday at Rengpang segment of Nungba subdivision under Tamenglong district, it came to light that Khongsang Primary School, which was upgraded to Junior High School, Rengpang Government-aided School and Taugdaizeng Junior High School were left without proper care. Briefing media persons at the complex of Khongsang Primary School, social worker and chairman of Khongsang Village, Kilongdi Gonmei, said lack of PHED, water supply, education system and road connectivity are the major problems faced by the local residents of Rengpang. It also needs a proper playground and a community hall, he added.
Manipur Sarkar na state sina tawbidroso aigi pocket gi puthoga playground city phajana tawhange haibase mana haibibine adusu thabakta onthokpa ngamde akoina kochen chen khre adu orsu department da grida asidi laite haina akoi tokthokre adugi mayam youth and affair gi makhada tawjaba ringpang gi manung sanba circle khun mayam dai sport gine aduga PSSC ne school ne water supply ne masi mayam se loina awaba targa leire asi government na athuba matamda miyeng changbiyo haibse akoina haijaning mani.
MLA of Konthozam Assembly Constituency, Dr. S. Ranjan, who is also the chairman of Manipur Tourism Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur, inaugurated the newly renovated Channing Lairembi Park and dedicated to the residents of Phoising today. MLA Dr. S. Ranjan urged each and everyone to maintain cleanliness around the park as every person, young and old, use the park for recreational purposes. Director of Tourism W. Ibohal, former chairperson of Nambol Municipal Council T. Ibocho Singh, vice chairperson of Nambol Municipal Council A. Bimola Devi, councillors and local residents of Channing Lairembi attended the occasion. Let's take a short break once again.
Pradhan Mantri Kausal Vikas Yojana PMKVY gi makhada tailoring, embroidery, handloom, weaving, dyeing, warping, textile designer na singba free training pangthok sagadori. Training singsi yaubin basingna KB Philanthropy 5 ki website www.kbphilanthropy.org register taubiyu. Akopa marol gi damak call taubiyu 03852427 natraga 8118936684 natraga 8794276615.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching tohanba.
Mama paga cha manana warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last pakhong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme. Yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Vigyo Institute of Management and Information Technology affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipo. BBA amadi BCA gi oina chahi ahumgi dual certification courses 2019-20 gi damak admission hauzare. Coursing asi tambada DCA, Triple CA amadi Tele gi short term course ama lemna tambagi khudong chabasu pizani. BBA amadi BCA gi oina lakliba July thadagi class hauzaragani. Adai khudong chabasingdi state of art infrastructure, well-furnished and equipped classrooms, qualified and well-experienced faculties, visiting faculty from industry and academia, placement cell, computer lab with internet facilities, library, canteen, conference halls and playground. Agak naba seat masingni amadi hostel gi facility su pizari. Prospectors amadi form gidamak lengsen birau Vimit Sangai Prau FCI Road opposite MSPDCL office Imphal West. Ako pamarol gidama contact tawbirau 700-561-3687 natraga 700-5845-205. Ekogi website www.vimitimphal.com. Email vimitimphal@gmail.com.
Langsin Biraksi Yaisna Free on Cars. Government ki registration fanglaba amasong ningthina certified tauraba makhal machugi four-wheeler sing fongbigani. Yengbisi adom gi apamba gari adom su line car tongba yaragani. Gari ga mamalga chanana fongbigani. Yaisna Free on Cars sangangai opposite to airport. Mobile number 82590-54531.
Welcome back. The 10th Wangu Tamphalairimbi State Level Mukna Tournament 2019 organized by Wangu Tamphalairimbi Mukna Association under the aegis of All Manipur Mukna Association wrapped up at Wangu Tamphalairimbi Laibung yesterday. L. Arun Meite of Hairok was the winner of the tournament. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has announced that 5 Deputy Chief Ministers would be sworn in tomorrow. While addressing his 151 MLAs and 7 MLCs at YSR Congress Legislature Party meeting at the Tarepalli Party office, Reddy said there would be 1 Deputy Chief Minister each from the backward classes, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minorities and the forward community of Kappas, which has been fighting for BC status. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will briefly visit Sri Lanka on Sunday, during which he will hold bilateral talks with President Maithripala Sirisena. Modi will be the first foreign leader to visit the island nation after the Easter bombings that killed over 250 people, including 11 Indians. Ahead of the Prime Minister's visit, Sri Lankan police have made elaborate security arrangements, including traffic movement restrictions. The Prime Minister is visiting the country with a very clear message of solidarity and signaling confidence in the Sri Lankan government in overcoming the tragedy. India will help Sri Lanka deal with the scars of terrorism and is ready for any assistance to any country of the region. Sri Lanka was hit by a wave of bombings on April 21st. The attacks came despite prior intelligence warnings from India. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Cabinet reshuffle within this month, says Biren. Chief Minister reaches out with pitch talk in Ukhrul. Government to launch Green Manipur campaign soon. The People's Chronicle. Ram to tame BJP MLAs eyeing cabinet bird. Chief Minister announces Green Manipur campaign. RIMS doctors successfully remove 1.5 kilogram liver tumor. Ukhrul boy youngest to scale Sirui Kasong Pe. Assam rifleman near Hebron camp upsets NSCN. Imphal Free Press. Midterm cabinet reshuffle within June, says Chief Minister Biren. Government to launch Green Manipur campaign soon. MHRC visits Tarenpopi NF railway construction site, affected villages. 2 bombs found in Imphal East, search operation conducted. KSO set for 24-hour statewide ban. The Morning Bell. State observes World Environment Day 2019. Vows for a greener planet. Over 50,000 tree saplings planted within 1 hour in 950 schools and 80 colleges. Government to launch Green Manipur campaign soon, says Chief Minister Biren. Cabinet reshuffle in Biren ministry likely this month. 4-year-old boy climbs Sirui Kasong. Bomb placed at priest home Mantripukri.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Drug peddler succumbs after being beaten up allegedly by anti-drug volunteers in Imphal East. KSO ban hits normal life. Government given 24 hours to release organization leaders. And first World Food Safety Day held. Presence of monosodium glutamate in popular snack Mimi caution. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.